Hi everyone, I'm Mansi Patel and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you know from the title, is gonna be road trip to Virginia. I know I'm posting it pretty late, we went last month. We went on August 20th, so it was for 3 days and 2 nights. We were 4 people. It was me, my friend Helly, Bhumi, and Vivek. And also I'm gonna post another video for Virginia, and it's gonna be expense video. I'll tell you all the details of where I spend my money and stuff. So we all met up at my house. I think it was around 9:30, and then we started. We were gonna cross 4 states, I believe. So I was trying to take the boards, the welcome boards for each state, but I couldn't even take one. Aibu.
In a quarter mile,
It's video money,
South Pennsylvania Avenue.
When we passed Maryland, we were kind of hungry, and we didn't have breakfast, so we decided to stop by Chick-fil-A. પોતાની સાઈડનું જો સાફ કરી લીધું, મારી સાઈડનું આમ જ રહેવા દીધું. Nah.
जो पहले ऊपर बैठ लो चिलिंग
Hi from Virginia. Okay, I'm kind of excited. It's 5:18 and we just got here 10 minutes ago, and I'm staying at Econo Lodge. We are gonna go for Dolphin Watch around 6:30. So I was just wearing this shirt and this shorts. I'm gonna keep the shorts same. I'm gonna change my shirt, and I think that's the update right now. We had 2 rooms because we were 4 people, so it's just easy to use bathroom and whatever. So let's do a room tour. I thought it was gonna be 1 bed, but it's 2 bed actually. I might have misread it or something, but yeah, that's pretty cool. You'll see how the room is inside the room, and this is the main door where we entered from. And we are upstairs on the 1st floor or 2nd floor, whatever it is. And if we enter from here, this is how you see it. So there are 2 beds. They look pretty nice. There's a TV, fridge, and microwave. And there's a big mirror. I should have turned on the light, but it's okay. And then there's this light and sink, and here is the bathroom. Yep. I accidentally booked smoking rooms. We tried to change it, I called them and I wanted to do non-smoking room, but they said it wasn't available for our hotel, it was all booked or something. so we couldn't get it. But like when we got there, they just gave us the non-smoking room, and it was like good because initially we only had like one king size bed in our room, but when we got our room we had like two queen size bed, so it was kind of like good. Hi.
You also do have two mates on board. One of your mates, Charles, got some really cool things to show you guys. But it's just a good time. Weight test and everything's set up over here. Right over to you guys on the left side right here.
Dude, they're so close. This is crazy.
It looks like India no koi rasto chhe na pani chhe. So after dolphin watching, we were like hungry, and my mom had like gave us some biryani kind of rice, and so we ate that at night. We also got like pizza from Pizza Hut. I was like so bad at like vlogging everything, but I'm just gonna like pop up the picture somewhere on the screen of like what we ate. So after having our dinner, we played card for some times.
करो skip करो pet
Petting animal. તો સાપુતારામાં છે પેલું તેને હું ગઈ. So that was it for day 1. For day 2, like we woke up in the morning like around like 8 or something, because we wanted to get breakfast. The hotel already had the breakfast, and then after we just got ready and went to the beach. We came back around like 3ish. It had started raining like so bad. It was like pouring. Then we took like shower and stuff, and then we just got like ready, and we were hungry. So thank you. So after going to Subway, Bhumi and Vivek, they wanted to have like chicken sandwich or something, or chicken nuggets, I don't know. I think they got both. So they wanted to have that, so we went to Hardee's. So after eating, as I said, I was like pretty bad at vlogging and stuff. I'll just like pop up some picture here somewhere. So like after eating, we just played Monopoly for some times. And then we got ready because we were gonna go to the mini golf. The mini golf was pretty cool. You'll see in the video. Gujaratis everywhere. It looks like it's nice, but it's not. I love it here. We came first, and now Hell's gonna go. probably I'm going after, I don't know. And we're gonna take turn and we're gonna kind of like see who does it like in less times, and we're gonna go in like there are like different levels and we're gonna go in different levels. It's gonna be super fun. I'm so excited. I have Google Ball. फंसियो ये नहीं.
मजा मानसी ने जगह पर जाया जो मारो पड़ रहा है तू बंद करो.
So after mini golf, we decided to take pictures because we all were like dressed pretty nicely. We got many pictures. I was like, I like this pose, but I gotta take few more pictures in the same pose or something. So we were like pretty late. So and we wanted to go to this one place for Mexican food, but like we got pretty late. So by the time we were gonna get there, the store was gonna be closed. So we looked up some other places and we found one and we went there. We got there, but then we figured out that they only had the bar open. So then we had to like go somewhere else, and I was so bad at vlogging, as I said, so I didn't like, and I was just so tired by the end of the day, so I didn't like I don't have like a video and stuff, but I'll pop up like pictures of what I ate like on the screen. And then we just went back to our room. So we were like so tired, we just went to sleep. And the next day, like I woke up like super late. It was like after 9 or something, and we had to like check out from the hotel around like 11.
어제 मैं तो उठी ना लोगों खावा हो लाएगा क्यों छे?
And then after we just like packed everything, and then so we left around like 11, and then we went to the boardwalk. So it was like a same beach, like we went to the same place where we went like a day before on our day 2, but we just wanted to like do boardwalk, like walk around the beach and stuff. So we just went there again and then took some pictures. It was like super sunny that day, so we were like, oh, let's have like ice cream or something. So we went to this store and we got ice cream. Like we were looking for a love sign because like in Virginia there are like many love signs and people take pictures there. So we were looking for one, but the one we found, it was like pretty far and it was like in opposite direction of where we wanted to go. So we just were like, oh, okay, it's okay, like we won't go there or something, because it was almost like 45 minutes far or something. So it was like we would have to go 45 minutes and then come back 45 minutes and then actually like drive to our home. So we were like, oh, it's okay, we won't do it. And then after having the ice cream, we were just like going back to our house and we saw this love sign, and then we just stopped by and like took some pictures. While coming back, me and Bhumi were watching like movie chiller party. While coming back in Delaware, we went to McDonald's. So yeah, after that we got like we dropped off people, like we dropped off Bhumi first and then they dropped me off, so I got home finally. So that was it for this video, and I hope you guys like this. I'll have like not done like a proper vlog, like travel vlog. This is my first vlog, but I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please hit the like button. I'm gonna be like doing like more like different kinds of video. So yeah, if you guys want to keep watching more kinds of video, then subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification, like the bell button, so you get notified whenever I post videos. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.